In this video, I'll show you how to close open apps on your iPhone. This is useful if an app is frozen, not working properly, or if you simply want to clear your recent app's screen. To get started, unlock your iPhone. Now, if your iPhone does not have a home button, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause in the middle. This will open the app switcher, where you can see all the apps that are currently open in the background. If your iPhone has a home button, double-click the home button to open the app switcher. Once you're on this screen, you'll see your open apps displayed as cards. To close an app, place your finger on the app preview and swipe it up off the screen. You can repeat the same step for each app you want to close. If you want to close multiple apps faster, you can use 2 or 3 fingers to swipe up on multiple app previews at the same time. Just keep in mind that iPhone does not have a single button to close all apps at once, so you'll need to swipe them away manually. Once all the app previews are gone, your recent apps screen will be cleared, and that's how you close all open apps on iPhone. I hope this video helped you clean up your recent apps and close any apps that were not responding. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.